Class 7th, Subject General Science, Chapter 8, Static Electricity, Exercise. Question 1. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. A. There is always repulsion between like charges. B. Atom is responsible for generation of electric charge in an object. C. A lightning conductor is made of a copper strip. D. Plastic does not get electrically charged easily by rubbing. E. There is always attraction when opposite electric charges come near each other. F. A charged object can be detected with an electroscope. Question 2. Explain why it is not safe to go out with an umbrella when there is heavy rain, lightning, or thunder. Answer. Lightning can be attracted towards tall objects very quickly. Umbrella has pointed end on upper side which is a metal. It get wet and there is possibility that lightning can strike it. That's why don't go out with an umbrella in heavy rain. Question 3. Answer in your own words. A. How will you protect yourself from lightning? Answer 1. Avoid using any plumbing during lightning storms. 2. Avoid standing on surface in which moisture water is present during lightning storms. 3. Avoid large open spaces. 4. Do not lie flat on ground as this gives the lightning a large target. B. How are charges generated? Answer. The charges are never generated. They always exist in atoms as positive charge on protons of the nuclei and as negative charges on the electron around nuclei. An electric effect can be seen only when electrons are removed from some of the atoms in the material and transferred to atoms in another material. The electric effect is caused by the attraction between opposite charges and repulsion between like charges. See, in the lightning conductor, what provision is made for spreading the electricity into the ground? Answer. In the lightning conductor, the highly conductive copper and aluminium material is used which provide a low resistance path to safety ground lightning's dangerous electricity. It consists of a long copper strip with one end forked. This end is at the highest part of the building. The other end of strip is connected to the plate of cast iron. A pit is dug in the ground. Coal and salt are filled into the pit, and the iron plate is placed upright in the pit. There is also provision for pouring water into it. This helps to spread the electric charges quickly into the ground and protect damage. D. Why do farmers stick an iron staff into the ground while working in the field in rainy conditions? Answer. Farmers stick an iron staff into the ground while working in the field in rainy conditions for protection against lightning strike. E. Why is lightning not seen every day during the rainy season? Answer. Lightning is seen when electric charges produced on very large scale. In rainy season on everyday electric charges are not produced on a very large scale. Thus lightning is not seen every day during the rainy season. Question 4. What are the characteristics of static electric charge? Answer 1. Due to friction charges are formed for short duration. 2. Charges generate electric field which do not change with time. 3. Charges do not form magnetic field because electric field protect due to them are constant and there is no electric current. Question 5. What is the damage caused by lightning? How will you create awareness to prevent it? Answer 1. It causes damage to tree, building, etc. 2. It causes damage to all the electric appliances connected to buildings. 3. People who are exposed to lightning suffer from various health problems. Awareness to prevent damage. 4. Don't use appliances that are plugged into the wall during lightning storms. 5. Stay away from insulated objects such as trees and light poles. 6. Avoid long metal structures.